Hello everybody, got a video here. I got a product from Saker and it's a 10-inch contour gauge, and I wanted to do a video on it here showing you guys using it and stuff. This here one's a 10-inch one, and they do have a shorter 5-inch one. I'm not sure if they make longer ones. They probably do, but I'm not 100% sure. And I'll make sure I put the link down in the description when I put my video up, but it's www.smartsaker.com, and like I said, I'll put it down in the description so if you guys are interested. And it's got the satisfaction guaranteed, so I've been wanting one of these, so I figured I'd try it out. You do get some instructions in that with them, but I never read instructions. So we'll go ahead and give this a try, see what we can do with it. I've been wanting to put a ledge on this so it sticks out a little bit so I can lay stuff in front of it here. And maybe put a little tray or something when I'm grinding stuff. I can lay the bolts or whatever down in it. And on the front of this, it's got kind of an end in it, goes in and back out. So I'm going to take this and try it out. After you get your shape of what you want to do, you can lock it in place by folding that out, and it just goes back in to unlock it, which makes it really nice compared to some of them I've seen. They don't have that option, so by the time you go to whatever you're working on, you end up moving it a little or whatever, and it's off some, or maybe a lot, depending on what you're doing. We're going to take this and we'll push it back against it. Now we'll take and lock it in place. And that's the shape I got there. So now we got the pattern. I'm going to take it over here on the board that I got, and we'll draw it out and try to cut it. Try to move this closer. This is the board that I'm going to use. I'm going to cut a piece 14 inches long, but we'll go ahead and get the pattern drawn on it. And I do need to see how much of an edge I left there, because that wasn't quite long enough to do what I wanted to do. So we'll go back over here to the grinder. And we'll put this back up. And it looks like I need to have an inch. So we'll go ahead and mark this at an inch, and I'll draw a line for us to go off of. Oh, sorry, I didn't move the camera back there. Okay, we got that line where we're going to be lined up with the end of this. And I did notice when you're drawing on the end there, and these ain't very thick like it is on this end here, it does give a little, so you may have to hold that in place a little bit if you get where there's only a couple of these on the end. So I'm going to recheck my pattern here. It was off just a hair, but it's just going around a grinder, so it don't really matter on this hair, on me. But these are from Saker, and we're going to try to cut this pattern here, so it may get a little noisy. Apologize for that. And it works better if you have a good place set up to do this at, and I do not here. Okay, now to cut this hair pattern out. Could be a little fun. Now to get these parts back here, if I had a really fine blade on this, it'd be so much easier, but we'll get it. As you can see, my table's rolling around on me. All it is a seat, and I got a tote up on it and a board laying on it. Okay, I got my pattern cut out there that I wanted, and we'll take it over here and see how it looks. And as you notice, my shirt's super clean. Still wear it a lot. And as you see there, that slid right back. It's almost perfect, and I was off on my measurement here. I put it over the end there a little bit. I didn't compensate. For the edge here. So that was my mistake. I should have subtracted out a little. So, but no biggie. And that works out pretty good there. I'll take and trim that off probably, and I'll put a little support out here underneath it, and I'll nail it down or screw it down, and I'll have me a little work area there. So I think it'll work out pretty good. So don't forget to check out these guys, and like he's saying, these work pretty good. If you want to put it back like it was, just get you a flat area, push it down, and you're ready for the next job. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.